Hey guys, welcome back to video number 8 in this YouTube mini training series. My name is Saurabh and my passion is to help you build your influence using online marketing. And in this video, I'll be telling you how to do live stream on your YouTube channel. And you can use that live stream to promote a particular product, to promote a service, or it could be just to interact with your viewers, just to catch up with your viewers, just to talk to your viewers. So this is again a very important concept in your YouTube journey, which you have to do, is to do live streams on YouTube. And if you're doing a review of a particular product, or if you're telling something about your affiliate product or service or whatever, see, it is going to help you because you can save your editing time. You don't have to edit a video. If you're doing a live stream, that will be broadcasted live on your channel. So that will save up your editing time. Plus, YouTube gonna rank those videos. YouTube want people to do live stream on their channels. So you could do live stream. It's a great way to connect with the people directly. Live. It's all good about recording the videos and uploading on a channel, but from time to time, you also have to go live just to talk to your viewers, just to promote something, or it could be anything. So let me just take away to the training class where I showed you all the steps which you have to perform in order to do live from your channel. Live streaming is all the rage now. Although the majority of people are not using it to make money, you will find people using live stream to chat and play video games, and only few using it for its money making potential. So in this video, I am going to show you how to set up a YouTube live stream where you can go live for your business, interact with potential customers, and make money in real time. Going live on YouTube is really easy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to go live to promote a product, launch URL to present your product, and generate early bird sales. So start on your YouTube homepage by log into your channel, and from there, go to your YouTube Studio dashboard. And then on the YouTube Studio option, on the dashboard page, click the Create button on the top bar menu. And then click on Go Live option from the display menu. This will take you to the live streaming page. Now it's time to start setting up the live stream. First, make sure to allow YouTube access to your camera and microphone so the live stream runs. Now click on the stream tab here. You are going to add your live stream information, enter the name of your live stream into the create title field. Okay, so this is a test. Here you are going to enter the name of your product launch. Now you're going to add the product launch description into the description field. Here you're going to add a summary of the product launch. Make sure to include your target keywords and search terms for maximum exposure. The next step is key. You're going to insert your product launch URL at the end of the description. You will entice viewers to take action during the live stream to encourage them to learn more about the product by clicking on the URL in the description. This is how you're going to drive conversions during the live stream. Now make sure that the stream is set as public, and then click on the category menu button to select the category of the stream. Now click on the upload custom thumbnail and upload a thumbnail image that you consider to be a good fit for the stream. You can use the product cover or an asset from the product launch kit as the thumbnail. Lastly, select the No, It's Not Made for Kids option in the audience section. You will have the option to broadcast the stream right away or to schedule the stream for a later date. Now your best bet is to leverage buzz for the product launch to promote your live stream. So you have to make sure to either schedule the live stream to make time to promote the broadcast or to promote it heavily on social media before you go live. In case you want to schedule a live stream, simply enable the schedule for later option. and then click on the date field and use the calendar function to pick up a date, and then click on the time field to select the time for the broadcast. And once you schedule the broadcast, click on create stream. On the other hand, if you're doing lives right away, simply disable schedule for later option and then click on stream. In this case, you just posted a reminder to your Facebook and Twitter account, so you can expect viewer coming in the moment you start the stream. So make sure to post your reminders before you go live. So guys, that is all in this video, and I hope you got an idea about how to set up a live stream or to schedule a live stream for a product launch or for launching your service. So if you got some value, please make sure to like this video and also put a comment. I would love to go through your comments and reply to all of them. And if you want to learn more strategies to get started with online business and make money online, please make sure that you're subscribed to the channel as well. And lastly, if you want to make more money using different strategies, please make sure to click on the link in the description down below, and I will see you on the other side.